Hi guys, today we will have a look at the guts of this vintage broadcast camera. It is a JVC KY 210 as you can see here. It is in medium good condition, but sadly it is missing a PCB inside. So it is a vintage tritube camera from the 70s. You have here is the lens mount, of course, lens filter wheel here. You have one tube like this, one like this, and one like this, I believe. This box here is a removable studio adapter. It is all made in die cast, very nice. So we'll do both sides of the camera. It is so big, it does not fit in on my bench and must. So I did already unscrew. Yes, no. It should come off. It should come off. Yes. So here is the cover. You can see it is cast aluminium with some information about the potentiometers you can find inside. So here is the contents. So it is a very regular layout for video cameras. You have vertical plug-in boards here and board here with all the fine stuff, all the tuning stuff for the tubes. You can see here at the bottom, you can guess one of the tubes, so we will have a look at all this. So first I will remove the boards. So you can see the missing board, sadly, the board number 4. It is quite impossible to obtain. I should want to get a camera in very bad condition, but with this board present, so I could take apart the camera, because I did never take apart a tritube camera, and retrieve the board for here. So this is the chroma gain board for number 5. You can see some delay lines, I believe. Yes, probably. Connector here, some hybrid stuff, module here. Rear side with some circuit mount parts. Surface mount parts, surface mount. So now it seems we have that codes from 83 here. So it is from the early 84 even. So it is from the early 80s, now 70s. So probably one of the last tritube cameras before CCD spread out. No, they did continue to make tritube quite a long time. So this one, you can see the cutout here for the tube, which is max pickup tube. There is one of them here. So more delay lines, it seems. Some shielded box here, custom module for JVC. This board is CC. Don't know what it means. You can see they were already using surface mount parts. So this one, they are not difficult to remove, it's a good thing. You have 3 times the same module here. It is a PR module with a gain and gamma controls for colors. These modules, you see them a lot in this category of equipment. They are hybrid modules. Sony did use a lot of them also. I have an Ampex camera I will show sometime soon with lots of these modules. So this one is the PS module. One more of these shielded boxes. You can see it is mostly all analog stuff. Really old school. So we will have a look inside this box. Let me grab a screwdriver. we may have, not sure when it will come off. So if I can flip this circuit board, we will see the optical mount of the tubes. Here is the filters wheel box. So I have one retaining screw here, and maybe I need to remove, I think, no, there are just wires everywhere. You can see it must be the tube's output. You have 3 color dots here. I'm sure which one will be easier to do. By the way, this connector, I have a screw here. Excuse me, I did not see it. So now maybe it will come off somewhat. No. So behind this you have, try to show you at least, it is completely closed, a metal box with a prism assembly, but it is completely closed anyway. So nothing to see. Okay, just assemble it. As you can see, it is quite tedious. The after sales cost for this must be, but they are quite easily variable because everything comes in modules. Okay, so it is all for this side. I cannot, these connectors are very difficult to remove, so I will not remove them for now. Here is a filter wheel. You have a small module with buttons. It is a field replaceable, I believe. So let me close it back and open the other. Here is the other side of the camera with a connector panel here, main VTR plug, main power input, BNCs, main power switch, microphone input, viewfinder plug is here, some small settings button here. So this part is made in 2 panels. So this one is designed for easy removal. It is regular screws, but this one is Allen screws. So you have here more circuitry for the tubes, it seems, with lots of potentiometers. Really. Again, the info about the potentiometers in the cover. So on this secondary cover, I think it is just a matter of removing the tube. Plugs here. Yes, so it will flip off this way. You can see in the cover here you have another circuit board and then all the plugs behind. Here is the thick wire harness, it must be power supply. And then some coax in here. And here is the motherboard, the main motherboard. You can guess the connectors, card edge connectors here. You have an insulating sheet and some flat flex cable. Okay, so it is for this side. So I am going to see. It is difficult to remove also. So really the tubes are all in the middle of the device. They are not designed to be easily accessible without further disassembly, at least. But this part here is tube access. And I believe there is another one here in the bottom. Here. So here we are. You can see this panel is made of aluminum again. So it is really nice design, nice construction. These cameras, I love them. So maybe as the last part we will have a look into this studio adapter. Here is the studio adapter body. You can see the plug where it connects to the camera, the clamp to attach it to the camera with a nice screwy thing, really nice. It is a model RS500, as you can see here, onto this old school dot printed sticker. Here is you have a main cable output with intercom plug it. So I didn't already open it. As you can see, it is a really nice design because plugs will remain this side. We have several circuit boards. One of or more are in there, but it needs complete disassembly to access them. So we'll just have a look of what we have on this one. Well, the Toshiba and the Texas Instruments parts. Let's look later for this one. It is written AD board assembly. So, should it be analog to digital converter? Quite weird. You can see the big beefy intercom plug here. Really nice design. It is holding to a nice metal bracket. All this is made in die-cast aluminum. Big shock here, another here. So I zoom a little for you to see the part numbers. The main chip here is a MN1541 VVU. No clue of what it does. So here is a sight into this. I believe this part here, it is like heatsink. There must be power converting stuff inside here. It is really nice design. Okay, so thanks for watching. This will conclude for this camera. And stay tuned for more stuff. Bye bye.